So if you tried running Facebook ads for your business and you discover that you're not getting the kind of results you're expecting, and possibly you are a beginner or you are someone who have been running Facebook ads for a while now, but you kind of are not satisfied with the kind of results you're getting, it's possible that you don't have rules that you play by. It's possible that you don't have certain rules that you work with. Okay, and in today's video, what I'm going to show you is basic rules, 5 basic rules that I work with, and it has been helping me get consistent results for my business. And I'm sure that if you implement these rules, it can also help you get consistent results for your e-commerce business. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into what we have for today. Joshua Odua here again, and if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop another video just like this one you're watching, right? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and kindly hit the like button and share this video to as many people you know will be interested in growing their e-commerce business. So without further ado, let's dive into the 5 basic rules that I have worked by that has helped me to get consistent results for my e-commerce business. All right. First and first, I need to put it out there that these rules are not like, I'm not saying these are like the general rules that everybody must apply or must work with. I'm saying these are rules that I have personally adopted and I have seen them work out for me. I've seen them give me consistent results every time I try to run adverts. All right. But one rule is you don't need to be intelligent to be successful at running Facebook ads. That's the truth. So I see a lot of people make this common mistake. They're just starting e-commerce business and they're looking for the next guru who can help them run ads. Okay, so it's fine if you have someone that can help you run adverts. Maybe you're very busy, maybe you're a very busy person, but you want someone who can help you run adverts. Okay, that's fine. But then my issue with people always trying to run away from learning how to run Facebook ads is that even when you outsource Facebook ads to people to help you run Facebook ads, at the end of the day, you might not be able to know what a good result looks like because you are totally dependent on the kind of results these people are giving you. But when you are good at running Facebook ads and you hire people to run Facebook ads for you, you'll be able to know, okay, this is the kind of result I should be expecting. So if you're not getting that kind of results, you know, obviously that person is either making a mistake or there's something wrong with the advert that you guys need to walk through. All right. If you're a newbie and you're running away from learning how to run Facebook ads for your business, then I think you are doing yourself a disservice. All right. Because the truth is, you definitely need Facebook ads for your e-commerce business. And it's not so difficult. This is not rocket science. This is something you can basically sit down, learn, and implement it. That's the issue. A lot of people learn, but they don't come out to implement it. They are scared of implementing it. They feel like, oh, I'm going to waste a lot of money when I try to implement this same strategy that someone is teaching me. Go out, implement it. Don't be scared of testing water. Put your feet down and take the risks that you need to take. That's how everybody learns Facebook ads. Nobody was born with Facebook ads mentality or Facebook ads idea in their head. Everybody learns this Facebook ads, and a lot of people got their hands burnt before they were able to learn Facebook ads. My rule here is that you don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be like the brightest guy out there for you to learn how to run Facebook ads. Learn how to watch videos, take courses, and also implement them. Take action. Once you're able to take action, you are going to make mistakes at some, you're going to fail at some, definitely, but you are also learning what doesn't work for you. All right, you're also learning this is what works for me and this is what doesn't work for me. All right. Number 2 rule is quantity is better than quality when it comes to Facebook ads. Yes, I know a lot of people are going to be like, what do you mean by quantity is better than quality? Okay, so this is what I mean. Hear me out. First thing is you need to understand that with Facebook ads, it's better for you to have lots of ads creative out there that you're testing to give you better results than just having one quality ads creative. Like I was at a particular training, it was a workshop training. So in the training, I saw we were advised that we should, get content creators to help us create videos for our products and all that. So I saw a lot of people trying to ask for how they can get content creators to make videos for them. And a lot of these people usually are newbies, yeah, I'm not saying there's an issue with getting content creators to make videos for you. They are very, very good and very, very advisable. So if you're just starting out and you're low on funds and you don't have so much idea about these content creators and the kind of scripts that is best suited for your product, I will advise you to stay away from content creators. Basically, what you need to do is to go after making simple videos, very short videos. You can just make a video with your phone. Just hold your phone in your hand, have your product in the other hand, and just hold it in front of you like this while you are talking behind the camera. Do you understand? Like, they don't have to see your face. Nobody has to see your face. All you're just doing is making a video of your product and also having to speak like a voiceover on the video. Okay, and you can do this using different apps. You can use CapCut to do this and achieve very, very good results, excellent results. Like, I've done this and I've done this for different products and I've gotten very, very good results. And you can do this for like 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, right? You can like just get from different angles, get your product picture from different angles. You can just keep turning your product round and round and round until you finish saying what you want to say about your product. And once you're able to get this done, you have a video creative ready. That's the truth. You don't have to go about hiring people when you are just starting out your e-commerce journey. Try to get as many ads creative as you can, because the more ads creative you have, the more your chances of getting better results, the more your chances of scaling your ads. But if you have just maybe one ads creative that's working for you, I bet you the day that ads creative goes down, the day that ads creative decides to maybe drop in results due to ad fatigue, you are definitely going to be regretting it. You're going to be biting your finger and looking for another way to start creating the whole ads creative all over again. So for me, what I've always stuck with is have as many ads creative as you can, quantity over quality. All right. So that's number 2. So number 3 is advertising doesn't happen on the ads manager. Yeah, I know a lot of people are going to be confused about that. It happens at 3 checkpoints. Okay, the first checkpoint is when your target audience sees your ads. Second checkpoint is when they click through the ads to head over to your landing page, and the third checkpoint is when they head over to your thank you page. I see a lot of people worry themselves about how they can get the best interest. Like, a lot of people, I see people in the groups and all they keep saying is, I tried using this interest, it was giving me results before, and all of a sudden it just died down. And the next thing, they are confused. They're asking for people, what interest are you using now? I'm like, oh. So people use interest. Like, now, don't get me wrong, using interest is still good. It works for a lot of people. But then if you focus on just using interest, you are just going to be narrowing your results for yourself. While there's the bigger option for you to open that result up and make it broader and wider for yourself. So what I do basically is I just go with broad targeting. I just make sure I use 25 to 65 plus, and I go ahead with that targeting. I don't need to use any interest. I don't need to go ahead to check any behavioral settings. The only thing I can do is maybe I exclude certain type of people who I feel are usually the ones who are low quality audience. Okay, and low quality audience are people who access the internet using 2G. Once you're able to exclude the low quality target audience from your targeting, you should be able to get good results if you have done your work properly at the ads level. And at the ads level, here's what you need to focus on. You need to focus on the kind of ads creative that you are pushing out, because this ads creative is the first thing that attracts your target audience. All right. So what I would advise you to do, focus on your ads copy when you're setting up on your ads manager. Focus on your ads copy. Focus on your ads creative. If you're using an image, make sure your image showing the real problem that your target audience are going through, or the kind of solution that your target audience are expecting, or you are trying to show the products that you are trying to sell, so that it can at least put them in a buying mood while they click your ads. So this is one rule that I feel a lot of people actually are missing out, and I personally don't have any bias with interest targeting, but I go broad all the time. I mean all the time, and I've run different ads and I've gotten good results with my ads, and I don't use interest targeting. Okay. Number four rule I go with is that it takes 3 seconds to get your target audience to be interested in your product. All right? I think a lot of people don't pay attention to is the first 3 seconds of your video. If you're using video creative, first 3 seconds matters a whole lot because the moment your video shows up on newsfeed, something that happens is the first things they see is what catches their attention. If it doesn't catches their attention, they don't end up watching your video to the end. And you know what happens when they don't watch your video to the end? They end up not clicking your ads to your landing page. And that is where the whole juice happens. If they're able to click over to your landing page, you can be able to get them, the chances of getting them to buy your product is higher than when they don't click to your landing page. If you are using image creative, make sure your images are top-notch images. Make sure your image are relating the problem that your target audience are going through, or it's relating the solution that your target audience can get, or it is depicting or showing the image of the product directly that you are selling, and you are using a message that is easy for this target audience to understand what that product is trying to do for your target audience, because you want your target audience to get to click your ads. And just so everybody gets it clear here, social media, which is Facebook in this case, is not a marketplace. Facebook only helps you to get traffic to your website. That's what it does. So let's take, for instance, ShopRite. For instance, someone is standing by the entrance of ShopRite, and while cars are passing through the main street or the main road, all the person is doing is come to ShopRite and get 50% off. Come to ShopRite and get 50% off. Now, the truth is, a lot of people passing by, they didn't have the intent of buying a product. What they are just doing is possibly they are just passing, driving home, or they are just going for some random activity. And you are standing by that entrance telling them, come and get 50% discount off today. Now, a lot of people will be enticed by that and want to walk into ShopRite. So that's basically what your ad is doing. Your ad is basically shouting and telling people, come and see, I have a solution for you here. Come and see, I have a solution for you here. So whenever they see that, if the message is clear to them, if your ad's creative, it relates to the problem that they have, and it relates to the solution that they desire, they click on your ads and they head over to your website. Now, when they head over to your website should do the job of convincing them to buy this product from you. All right. So that's where you have to go about having your page to be properly designed, having your offer well spelled out, having your images clear and beautiful. So if you have all these things put in place, you have your guarantees, you have your scarcity included, you have your form to collect your information from your customer, definitely should be getting the best kind of results for your e-commerce business. Okay, so that's basically the rule here. First 3 seconds of your ads is what entices your target audience. Make sure to use it for your own good. Number 5 rule, which is the final rule that I go with and I stick with so well, is that I do not sell more than one product at a time. Like what I mean is I do not try to run adverts selling multiple products at a time. I see a lot of people make this mistake. People who run an advert on a video, the video has like 2, 3, 4 products that they're advertising at the same time. Like I've literally seen people trying to run ads like that. And when you click on the adverts, you head over to the page, what you're going to see is they are going to have like a product image, then a product price. Once you scroll down, you're going to see another product again. Then you scroll down, you're going to see another product again. Now, when you do this with your products, when you try to sell as many products as you can using one ad, what happens is that you're actually confusing your target audience. And do you know what happens to confused people? They end up not buying. That's the truth. If you want to run an e-commerce business, learn how to structure your one product landing page for one particular ad. So if you want to sell a pot, sell a pot. If you want to sell a spoon, sell a spoon. Basically, I'm not saying you should sell a spoon, but I'm just saying if that is what you're trying to do, if you're trying to sell one product, try to focus on that one product and that one ad, all right? So if you want to sell another product, create another ad for that product. Don't try to sell multiple products using one ad. And I see people say in their mind they feel like I'm trying to use one stone to kill two, three birds. No, it doesn't work like that with Facebook. You cannot use one stone to kill two, three birds using this format. If you want to use one stone to kill two, three birds, what you can do is you can have an upsell or you can have a cross sell. So if you have finished selling the person on your one product page and the person has clicked, dropped their information and confirmed that they're interested in your product, and they head over to your thank you page, what you can do on your thank you page is you can now add another product on your thank you page. Now, once you have this other product on your thank you page, this person, if this person is interested, can go ahead to click on it and fill in their information again and send to you. So if you actually want your target audience to buy 2 or more products from one ad, what you can do is you can increase your average order value. And the way to do that is by offering order bumps, which usually if you are using Sniper CRM, you'll be able to include that in your form. If you want to use the Sniper CRM to include this order bump on your sales page, I'm going to include the link below this video so that you can click on it and play around and see how it works. It's not free, but you definitely will be getting a welcoming bonus so that you can be able to use it for your business. And aside the order bump, you can also go ahead at your thank you page. Once the person has included all their information and clicked on submit, and it submits and reloads your thank you page, once they head over to your thank you page, another thing you can also do is you can include another product there, which usually can be like a related product. So if you're into the health niche, you can have another health product you are selling there. If you're into a beauty niche, you can add another beauty product. If you are into kitchen niche, you can add another kitchen product there. So whatever niche you are in, you can add another product on your thank you page and show it to your target audience. Now at this point, they've already finished making their decision on the landing page. So what they are doing right now is they are seeing an extra package. They would get it from you. So that's basically how you can take advantage to get people to buy more than one product using one ad. All right. So I hope we're able to learn something from this video. With these rules, you can also set up your own rules for yourself, and you can also become high flying with your Facebook ads. All right. So if you like this video, I just share it with you right now. Kindly hit the like button and share this video with as many people who might be interested in content like this. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you're welcome. Hit the subscribe button right below this video and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a fresh video just like this one you're watching right now. And until I come your way next time, it's peace.